Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Angel, and Angel writes from Kearney, New Jersey. And Angel writes, "We are selling our home. I just noticed a leak in one of the bathrooms. Should we tell the buyers or just fix it?" Well, Angel, normally when you sell a home, you are obligated to disclose any problems that could affect the property's market value. And in most states, it is illegal to conceal any major physical defects in a property that you're selling. But you're really only obligated to disclose the information that you're aware of. In this case, I don't know whether a leak in the bathroom amounts to a major physical defect or not, but obviously you know about it, so you should fix it or disclose it. That said, you're not obligated to renovate the whole house when you sell, and for the most part, renovations, home renovations, only increase a home's value by about 50% of their cost at the most, which means that from a financial perspective, those home renovations aren't a good financial investment. But clearing out and cleaning out garbage, clearing out the place, fresh coat of paint, that's fine. Anything more than that is probably not worth the time and expense. So thanks for your question, Angel. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.